Hello, for Uber?
Hi, yeah.
Hi, how's it going? Hi, what's the name?
What?
What's your name?
It should tell you on the...
Oh no, you need to tell me my name.
What's your name?
Oh no, tell me my name?
Wait, what's my name, though? Because it should tell you.
I don't know, you need to tell me my name. Because I do know your name, but I need to confirm.
Okay, I need you to confirm with me. So
Well,
what's
that's
my
why
name?
they give you the license plate number, so you can make sure it's the right car. And you get my make and model. I just need to know your name. So that's my way of confirming.
Yeah, but the thing is that I need you to tell me your name so I can confirm with myself.
No. You need to confirm with yourself by looking at the license plate. I need to confirm with myself by knowing what your name is, so I know I have the correct passenger, so you don't scam me for a free ride or potentially endanger me by being potentially the wrong passenger.
Okay, you lost me. At that random tant you just went on? No.
That was my logic.
No, I'm actually going to be late, so...
So say my name then, and then we can get moving.
No, I'm going to be late. You need to go.
Either say your name or say my name. So say my name.
You say my name.
All right, 1, 2, 3.